Hey guys, it's your girl Liana. Welcome back to my channel. I have such a special unboxing today. I'm so excited. Literally flabbergasted is possibly the word to describe this. I got something from the Murakami collection and you cannot tell by this packaging, and I'm gonna get into that story, but if you want to see what I got, keep watching. Hey guys, it's your girl Liana. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Liana. I post new videos every single week. Go watch some older videos so we can get a little bit more familiar with each other and get better well acquainted. You're gonna end up loving it here, so smash that subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So now let's get into this unboxing. So honestly, let's just address the elephant in the room. Why do I not have the Murakami packaging? So the Murakami collection dropped earlier this month. I actually did a video showing all of the items, first impressions, and the pricing. I'll leave that linked up above if you want to check that out, because I think they are going to do a re-release. I don't have the details on that yet, but I've seen people saying that there will be a re-release, so I'm hoping to finally get some more items, and you'll see why after I talk this through. So I do not have the Murakami packaging, which is really upsetting, but let me tell you how I even came to get this item in the first place. Also, if you did watch my 2024 wish list, I had something from the Murakami collection on that wish list. I wanted the Pochette or the Speedy Nano. Didn't get neither one, but when I heard of this being re-released, I'm like, okay, those are my items I want for sure. For sure. So I went to my SA saying, hey, you know, is there gonna be a pre-order? Can you pre-order? And at that time, I will say maybe I was just late. If this was probably like in the middle of December, I went to my SA asking, can you put me down on a pre-order, or like how are we expecting to get this rollout, you know? And she says to me, pre-order is over. And then like pretty much everyone in the location that I shop at Short Hills Mall, and pretty much everyone who pre-ordered, no one's getting their items anyway, because it was just like everything was pretty much oversold, basically, is what she explained that to me. And then I'm like, okay, well that means I'm probably not gonna be able to get my items, but I'm like, you know, the website should still have stuff too, so I'm gonna just like, you know, wait till launch day, see what I can get from the website. Website was completely glitching out. Like, you couldn't add anything to your cart. Everything said out of stock before it even launched, which made no sense. Like, it said like notify me. I put my name down on every notification. I never got notified. So I don't know. I feel like there was nothing ever on the website. I think pretty much everything was already sold off to whoever was able to pre-order. So that's my take on that. Whatever. And then I also saw the unboxing from Cassie Thorpe or Thop. I always forget how her last name is pronounced. I don't know if the R is before the O, but Cassie Thorpe, I'm gonna say is her name, is Cassie $2. But basically, she actually went to the New York store and she was able to get what she wanted from there. I live pretty close to New York, but I just did not want to take that trip if I was not guaranteed my items, because I went to my store, even on launch day, there was nothing to get. So I did not want to take the trip to New York and be disappointed in the first place, so I just didn't even go. It is what it is. At that point, I was like, you know what? It is what it is. And then at this point, I was like, okay, I'm not going to get anything from the collection unless I pay resale pricing for it. And I'm not willing to pay resale pricing for it, because I'm not going to lie. A lot of the items from this launch I felt was already overpriced. Ignore the snoring if you can hear it. That is my dog. Okay? My dog is snoring like an old man. But anyway. And she's a girl. She's not very demure. Anyway, so I pretty much doomed it. Like, I'm not gonna be able to get anything. Now, those are my thoughts on how the collection dropped and everything like that. Now, as far as why I don't have the Murakami packaging. By now, you guys should know my birthday is on Christmas Day. And my sister did not give me a gift on my birthday. So I'm like, what the hell, girl? I'm like, what the hell, girl? She's like, oh, I'm so sorry, your birthday gift is gonna be late. I'm like, okay. Granted, everyone asked me what I wanted for my birthday. I didn't know what I wanted for my birthday because I pretty much have everything that I want. And I said, if there's anything else that I would like to add to my birthday list, it wouldn't be for my birthday because it's from the Murakami collection. And you're not, if I can't get it, you can't get it. So that was my headspace on that. And then she's like, okay, well, I don't have a birthday gift from you. You'll get one later on. I'm like, okay, whatever. And I knew that she was going on vacation, and I asked her, if you go to vacation, please go to Louis Vuitton, and if they have anything from the Murakami collection, let me know, because she was going to St. Martin and also going to St. Bart. So I'm like, let me know. She did not, in fact, let me know. I'm like, okay, well, that means they didn't have anything. That's what I was under the impression of. And then she came back from vacation and had this for me. I didn't know what it was. I maybe I'll insert a picture of my reaction, but it was very, very cringy and very, very embarrassing. But she gave me this and she's like, open it. And she's recording me. I'm like, okay. But that's how my sister is. She will record you opening the gifts. Like, she likes to see the reaction. Like, she likes memories. She likes saving memories. And now as I'm opening it, I'm like, again, I don't see the Murakami packaging, so I was under the impression that, okay, she got me a card holder, because I did want a card holder. I did want a card holder. Here's the dust bag. Again, not thinking anything of it. Not thinking anything of it at all. I open the dust bag, and to my surprise, she got me the freaking card holder. Oh my god, I am in love with this card holder. It is so pretty. I love that the LV that you see right front and center is the pink one, and it's that way on both sides. I love the leather V. Listen, this is just a stunner piece, and I'm so happy to have it. So thank you to my sister, because without her, I would have nothing from this collection. Now, like I mentioned, they are doing a redrop, so they say. Who knows? At this point, who knows? I'm hoping they do, because I still have my eyes on the Pochette Accessoire, or maybe the Speedy Nano. If they don't relaunch it, it is what it is. But yeah, my card holder came all the way from St. Bart's. She traveled a long distance to get here, and she's so beautiful. You can literally smell the great leather on here, and it also says Louis Vuitton Murakami, made in France, 20-year anniversary. I'm gonna try to do a close-up. I'm not sure you'll be able to see it though at all. Can't see it. You can see the Louis Vuitton Murakami, but that's pretty much all that you can see. Sorry for interrupting your video, but I'm sitting here editing and I realized I did not even explain why I don't have the Murakami packaging. So let's just address that really, really fast. Basically, in St. Bart's, they did have like the outside of the store decorated, and it had only Zendaya. So it wasn't like a regular pop-up store. It was just Zendaya as like the forefront of the collection and on the boutique basically that she was at. And they did not have any of the packaging. Like, not even the ribbon, not the dust bag, not the stickers, not the tissue paper, literally nothing. So this is regular basic Louis Vuitton packaging. I feel like if you were going to release a collection that is so anticipated and you overhype it the way that they did, you should have dotted your I's, crossed your T's, make sure every boutique that is selling this product has the packaging correct for this item, especially with the price point that everything was at. We were basically paying for the packaging, so they should have done it correctly for everyone. I've even seen people who did order online and also did not receive the packaging. So I think Louis Vuitton should definitely do better with the next releases that are to come, because yeah, if I'm paying for the collection, I want everything that comes with the collection. Like, isn't that common sense? I'm still happy I got the piece though. Okay, back to your video. But yeah, I love it. This was such a quick, fun little video to show you guys. I'm so excited to use my card holder. Cards right here in my hand, because I'm gonna stuff her up right now. There is a pocket here on the front. Here on the front goes all the way down, and you see the LV there. Same thing on this side, you see it, and then you get a middle pocket there. I love that blue lining. This is such a pretty shade of blue. But now she's ready. So you have a New Jersey license. But yes, I love her. And I'm so excited to have her, especially the fact that she was a gift from my sister from St. Bart's. Like, this, I'm gonna love telling that story always. Like, oh my god, 20 years later, they're like, how do you have that? It's just a gift from St. Bart's from my sister. They're also doing the cherry blossom, which I think is probably going to be next, and I think I want something from that collection too. I'm not sure, and again, I'm not getting my hopes set on that one. Honestly, I don't know, but I do think that the multicolor was probably the most sought after from the collections, so maybe I'll have better luck with the cherry blossom and whatever else comes next after that. I don't know, finger crossed, but I'm not banking on it. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing. I could not wait to unbox it so I can get to using it. I wasn't using her because I was trying to save it for this video, but I'm so excited to finally be able to use my baby girl, and I cannot wait. Ah, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. But leave your thoughts on the Murakami collection. Were you able to get the pieces that you want? I don't know why I'm thinking about this now. I also want the Nice Nano in the black multicolor. That's a really great piece. That is a great piece. Would not be using it as a makeup bag though. I'm using that as a regular handbag. for that price point, regular handbag it is. But yes, what are your thoughts on the Murakami collection? Were you able to secure any of your pieces that you wanted? Do you want anything from the Cherry Blossom collection? Let me know in the comments below. Let's have a chit chat. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video with someone else that you think will enjoy this video. And if you are not tired of seeing my face or hearing my voice, I'll leave a link to another video here on this screen, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye. Love you.